त्रयोदशोऽध्यायः ध्यानम्। ॐ बालार्कमण्डलाभासां चतुर्बाहुं त्रिलोचनां ॐ बालार्कमण्डलाभासां चतुर्बाहुं त्रिलोचनाम् पाशाङ्कुशवराभीतिधारयन्तीं शिवां भजे। पाशाङ्कुशवराभीतिर्धारयन्तीं शिवां भजे। कुशवराभीतिर्धारयन्तीं शिवां भजे। ॐ बालार्कमण्डलाभासां चतुर्बाहुं त्रिलोचनां पाशाङ्कुशवराभीतिर्धारयन्तीं शिवां भजे। ॐ ऋषिरुवाच एतत्ते कथितं भूप देवी माहात्म्यमुत्तमम् एतत्ते कथितं भूप देवी माहात्म्यमुत्तमम् एवं प्रभावा सा देवी ययेदं धार्यते जगत् एवं प्रभावा सा देवी ययेदं धार्यते जगत् एतत्ते कथितं भूप देवी माहात्म्यमुत्तमम् एवं प्रभावा सा देवी ययेदं धार्यते जगत् देवी माहात्म्यमुत्तमम् एवं प्रभावा सा देवी ययेदं धार्यते जगत् विद्या तथैव क्रियते भगवद्विष्णुमायया विद्या तथैव क्रियते भगवद्विष्णुमायया तया त्वमेष वैश्यश्च
तया त्वमेव वैश्यश्च
तथैवान्ये विवेकिनः
तथैवान्ये विवेकिनः तथैवान्ये विवेकिनः
I think the same kind of meaning is, it has come back again, like Jnaninam api chetamsi Devi Bhavati. She doesn't leave anybody. The Rishi is telling, like you both are caught in the Maya, in the same way, even people who are Vivekis, they are also caught in the same Maya like you. Nobody is spared here. With
to include
everyone into this, yeah. Vidya tathaiva kriyate bhagavad vishnu mayaya taya tvamesha vaishyascha tathaivanye vivekinah.
विद्या तथैव क्रियते भगवद्विष्णुमायया तया त्वमेष वैश्यश्च तथैवान्ये विवेकिनः विद्या तथैव क्रियते भगवद्विष्णुमायया तया त्वमेष वैश्यश्च तथैवान्ये विवेकिनः
मोह्यन्ते मोहिताश्चैव
मोह्यन्ते मोहिताश्चैव मोह्यन्ते मोहिताश्चैव
मोहमेष्यन्ति चापरे
मोहमेष्यन्ति चापरे मोहमेष्यन्ति चापरे
मोह्यन्ते मोहिताश्चैव मोहमेष्यन्ति चापरे
मोह्यन्ते मोहिताश्चैव मोहमेष्यन्ति चापरे मोह्यन्ते मोहिताश्चैव मोहमेष्यन्ति चापरे
तामुपैहि महाराज
तामुपैहि महाराज तामुपैहि महाराज
शरणं परमेश्वरीं
शरणं परमेश्वरीं शरणं परमेश्वरीं
The only way to get out of the moham is to fall at her feet. There is nothing else. However good or big he is, there is no big or small in front of her. Everybody needs to fall at her feet. That's all. Tamupaihi Maharaja Sharanam Parameshwarim.
तामुपैहि महाराज शरणं परमेश्वरीं तामुपैहि महाराज शरणं परमेश्वरीं
Aradhita Saiva Nrunam.
आराधिता सैव नृणाम् आराधिता सैव नृणाम्
Bhogasvarga Pavargate.
भोगस्वर्गापवर्गता
See, the thing is, Bhoga Swarga Apavarga. Apavarga is Apavargata. Like Apavargata. Not Bhoga Swarga Apavargata.
भोगस्वर्गापवर्गदा भोगस्वर्गापवर्गदा
Aradhita Saivanrunam Bhogasvarga Pavargata.
आराधिता सैव नृणाम् भोगस्वर्गापवर्गदा आराधिता सैव नृणाम् भोगस्वर्गापवर्गदा
मोह्यन्ते मोहिताश्चैव मोहमेष्यन्ति चापरे तामुपैहि महाराज शरणं परमेश्वरीम् आराधिता सैव नृणां भोगस्वर्गापवर्गदा.
मोह्यन्ते मोहिताश्चैव मोहमेष्यन्ति चापरे तामुपैहि महाराज शरणं परमेश्वरी आराधिता सैव नृणाम् भोगस्वर्गापवर्गदा मोह्यन्ते मोहिताश्चैव मोहमेष्यन्ति चापरे तामुपैहि महाराज शरणं परमेश्वरी आराधिता सैव नृणां भोगस्वर्गापवर्गदा.
I think we will just go on reading. Now you people are very familiar with this. Okay. Now Markandeya comes back to the thing to wind up the affairs, like to consolidate everything and like how it went. Because we saw Markandeya only in the beginning. After that, it was only Rishi who was Like all the conversations were happening between Rishi and the Vaishya and king. So Markandeya comes back again to wind up everything. Markandeya uvacha Idi tasya vacha shrutva Suratassa naradhipaha Iti tasya vacha shrutva Suratassa naradhipaha Pranipatya mahabhagam Tam rushim shamsita varvratham They both prostrate to the Rishi and they ask him how to worship her. Shamsita Vratam, how to observe the penance, like Pranipatya mahabhagam tam rushim shamsita vratham Shamsita vratham Iti tasya vacha shrutva suratassa naradhipaha Pranipatya mahabhagam tam rushim shamsita vratham
Iti tasya vacha shrutva suratassa naradhipaha Pranipatya mahabhagam tam rushim shamsita vratam
Nirvinnoti mamatvena Rajyabaharanena cha Raja could not get out of this, his defeat. See, still that ahankaram. Nirvinnoti mamatvena. There is mine. That aspect of mine is still lingering in him. So he still wants how his Rajyabaharanam, when it happened, so he's still thinking of that. Nirvinnoti mamatvena Rajyabaharanena cha Jagamasadhyastapase Sacha Vaishyo Mahamune Jagamasadhyastapase Sacha Vaishyo Mahamune Jagamasadhyastapase Sacha Vaishyo Mahamune Nirvinnoti mamatvena Rajyabaharanena cha Jagamasadhyastapase Sacha Vaishyo Mahamune
Nirvinnoti mamatvena Rajyabaharanena cha Jagamasadhyastapase Sacha Vaishyo Mahamune Nirvinnoti
mamatvena Rajyabaharanena cha Jagamasadhyastapase Sacha Vaishyo Mahamune Sandarshanartamambaya Nadhi Pulina Samstitaha
नदीपुलिन संस्थितः.
Just to have the darshan of Amba, they decided they will do tapas. Sandarshan, with the intention to have her darshan, Nadi Pulina, by the river side. Nadi Pulina Samstita. Sandarshanartam Ambaya Nadi Pulina Samstitaha.
Sandarshanartham Ambaya Nadipuliन संस्थितः. Sandarshanartham Ambaya Nadipuliन संस्थितः.
Sacha Vaishyastapastepe.
स च वैश्यस्तपस्तेपे. स च वैश्यस्तपस्तेपे.
Devi Suktam Param Japan.
देवी सूक्तं परं जपन्. देवी सूक्तं परं जपन्.
Sacha Vaishyastapastepe. Devi Suktam Param Japan.
स च वैश्यस्तपस्तेपे. देवी सूक्तं परं जपन्. स च वैश्यस्तपस्तेपे. देवी सूक्तं परं जपन्.
Sandarshanartamambaya Nadi Pulina Samstitaha. Sacha Vaishyastapastepe. Devi Suktam Param Japan.
संदर्शनार्थम् अम्बाया नदीपुलिन संस्थितः. स च वैश्यस्तपस्तेपे. देवी सूक्तं परं जपन्. संदर्शनार्थम् अम्बाया नदीपुलिन संस्थितः. स च वैश्यस्तपस्तेपे. देवी सूक्तं परं जपन्.
Tau tasmin puline devyah.
तौ तस्मिन् पुलिने देव्या. तौ तस्मिन् पुलिने देव्या.
Krutva murtim mahimayim.
कृत्वा मूर्तिं महिमहि.
Mahi means earth. With the mud they made one murti of Ambal. There itself in the Nadi Pulina. Krutva murtim mahimayim.
कृत्वा मूर्तिं महिमहि. कृत्वा मूर्तिं महिमहि.
Tau tasmin puline devyah. Krutva murtim mahimayim.
तौ तस्मिन् पुलिने देव्या. कृत्वा मूर्तिं महिमहि. तौ तस्मिन् पुलिने देव्या. कृत्वा मूर्तिं महिमहि.
Sacha Vaishyastapastepe. Oh, no. Next one only. Arhanam chakratustasya.
अर्हणां चक्रतुस्तस्य. अर्हणां चक्रतुस्तस्य.
Pushpadobagni tarpanaihi.
पुष्पधूपाग्नितर्पणैः. पुष्पधूपाग्नितर्पणैः.
Arhanam chakratustasya. Pushpadhopagni tarpanaihi.
अर्हणा चक्रतुस्तस्य. पुष्पधूपाग्नितर्पणैः. अर्हणा चक्रतुस्तस्य. पुष्पधूपाग्नितर्पणैः.
Tau tasmin puline devyah. Krutva murtim mahimayim. Arhanam chakratustasya. Pushpadhopagni tarpanaihi.
तौ तस्मिन् पुलिने देव्या. कृत्वा मूर्तिं महिमयीम्. अर्हणा चक्रतुस्तस्य. पुष्पधूपाग्नितर्पणैः.
Pushpadhopagni.
पुष्पधूपाग्नितर्पणैः. तौ तस्मिन् पुलिने देव्या. कृत्वा मूर्तिं महिमयीम्. अर्हणा चक्रतुस्तस्य. पुष्पधूपाग्नितर्पणैः.
Niraharau yataharau.
निराहारौ यताहारौ. निराहारौ यताहारौ.
Tanmanaskau samahitau.
तन्मनस्कौ समाहितौ. तन्मनस्कौ समाहितौ.
So they just controlled all their senses. Control their mind, their senses and everything. They were doing Devi Suktam Japan and the Pushpadhupagni to that murti that they have made with the mud. And for the Bali to do the Prokshanam, they used their own blood. They did it for 3 years like this, continuously. And Ambal came protection there because of their devotion. Niraharau yataharau tanmanaskau samahitau.
Niraharau yataharau tanmanaskau samahitau. Niraharau yataharau tanmanaskau samahitau.
Dadatustau balim chaiva.
Dadatustau balim chaiva. Dadatustau balim chaiva.
Nijagatra srugukshitam.
Nijagatra srugukshitam. Nijagatra srugukshitam.
Asrug means blood. Okay? Asrug means blood.
So from their body.
From their body they used it to do the prokshanam for the bali. Bali means what? Fruits or something like that. They must have kept it then, for which they did it with the prokshanam, sprinkled it with their blood.
But this was told to them by the rishi, like this is how they should do?
They asked them as how to do it, but it was not mentioned here whether the rishi told them to follow this or there is no mention about whether the rishi told this has to be practiced only this way. It is not explicitly mentioned here in the Yataharau. Niraharau is no food. Haram, aharam. Yataharam means, I think, maybe the senses. Food. This is like, food is not only the food actually that we partake. It is not that. Food means every sense has got food.
Pratyahara.
Every sense, that is what pratyahara is like, you have to bringing it everything inside. So the sight, the sense organs, everything is controlled. It's not only the partaking of food. That is what is nirahara. Not only the food. All the indriyas are controlled. So they just go pratyak chitirupa. When you go inside you, and when there is no information from this, mind gets completely controlled. No? The breathing gets controlled, mind is controlled. So there is no information coming to the mind. So completely focused they are able to do it. Where did we leave it? Niraharau yataharau tanmanaskau samahitau dadatustau balim chaiva nijagatra srukukshitham.
Niraharau yataharau tanmanaskau samahitau
dadatustau balim chaiva nijagatra srukukshitham.
Niraharau yataharau
tanmanaskau samahitau
dadatustau balim chaiva nijagatra srugukshitam.
Evam samaradhayatos.
Evam samaradayatos. Evam
Aradhana. This kind of aradhana they did it for Tribir Varshair Yadatmano.
Tribir Varshair Yadatmano. Tribir
Yadatmanoho. Yadatmanoho.
Tribir Varshair Yadatmanoho. Tribir Varshair Yadatmanoho.
Evam samaradhayatos Tribir Varshair Yadatmanoho.
Evam samaradayatos tribir varshair yatatmanoho. Evam samaradayatos tribir varshair yatatmanoho.
Paritushta Jagadhatri.
Paritushta Jagadhatri. Paritushta Jagadhatri.
Pratyaksham Prahachandika.
Pratyaksham Prahachandika. Pratyaksham Prahachandika.
What happens sometimes, like they have not started like this. As they are not able to achieve the end, they just make it. Even they work towards, like straining themselves. Maybe it must have happened something like that.
Like how Buddha went.
You all know the story of Kannappa?
The hunter, no?
The hunter, Kannappa, who pasted his eyes So the mind of a devotee, you don't know how it works. It is so emotional at sometimes. What they do at that time, sometimes you feel like, can these things can happen, ever happen? Like how he can take his eyes off and then paste it. There are two things, like one is devotion, the other is like, the innocence of that. Innocence. It is only the purity of his devotion. One, it is not plain devotion, the purity of his devotion. It is like, childlike attitude towards the deity. And without knowing that it is the deity and it has to be worshipped like this. That is where you are taken into a different level of understanding. No? And it's amazing the way that Shivananda Lahari, you read it, you still like, you cannot help crying. Such a beautiful work it is. What is not beautiful done by Shankara Bhagavad? Everything looks beautiful. So you are not able to compromise on anything because whatever he has written, Shivananda Lahari and all, it like, it squeezes you out. You recite and then you are gone.
And when I start, I can't stop. I just go on.
No, that is very like, it is beautiful. Shivananda Lahari. Anandam means Shiva Anandam. That is what the way maybe they started with reciting only the Devi Suktam and sitting there fasting. Maybe like that, they must have started like that. Because they were not able to get her, because their aim is only to see her. That is Sandarshanartham. We want to have the darshan of Amba. That is their aim, to see her. So probably they increased their penance and they just want to going through physically like that, sometimes torment yourself. Bhakti can take you to anywhere. When Meera was crossing the desert, she went days without even taking water in the desert. So many times mind plays a huge role. That is what they say. Tan manaskau samahidam. You cannot go for a short period of time like this if the mind is not under control. When the mind is in control, you won't feel hungry. How the upavasam and all they do it, fasting on certain days. They go full Ekadashi, means Nirjalam. All these things they are able to do it. Why it is done, it is not like, mechanical, that Ekadashi, Pratham, Nirjalam, all those things. Mind is fixed on something. Then mind forgets about this body and its wants. And Ekadashi Vratham without fixing on Bhagavan Krishna, Bhagavan Mahavishnu. If it is done just like that, I don't know what to expect, whether it is the right way to do it. Somebody was asking me today about Ajapa Ajapam. I will talk to you after I finish this. Okay? Paritushta Jagadhatri Pratyaksham Praha Chandika.
Paritushta Jagadhatri Pratyaksham Praha Chandika. Paritushta Jagadhatri Pratyaksham Praha Chandika.
Evam Samaradhayatos Tribhir Varshairyathatmanoh Paritushta Jagadhatri Pratyaksham Praha Chandika. Evam Samaradhayatos Tribhir Varshairyathatmanoh Paritushta Jagadhatri Pratyaksham Praha Chandika.
Evam Samaradayatos
Tribhir Varshairyathatmanoh Paritushta Jagadhatri Pratyaksham Praha Chandika. We will recite this once. Looks like it is little twisty. Okay. Markandeyo Vacha. Recite with me. Markandeyo Vacha. Iditasya Vacha Shrutta कृत्वा सुरतः स नराधिपः प्रणिपत्य महाभागम् तं ऋषिं संसितव्रतं निर्विण्णोति ममत्वेन राज्यापहरणेन च जगाम सद्यस्तपसे स च वैश्यो महामुने सन्दर्शनार्थमम्बाय नदी पुलिन संस्थितः स च वैश्यस्तपस्तेऽपि देवी सूक्तं परं जपन् तौ तस्मिन् पुलिने देव्याः कृत्वा मूर्तिं महिमयीम् अर्हणां चक्रतुस्तस्याः पुष्पधूपाग्नितर्पणैः निराहारौ यताहारौ तन्मनस्कौ समाहितौ ददतुस्तौ बलिं चैव निजगात्राश्रुकुक्षितम् एवं समाराधयतोस्त्रिभिर्वर्षैर्यतात्मनोः परितुष्टा जगद्धात्री प्रत्यक्षं प्राह चण्डिका. Chandika, it's not Chandika, this one Sarkamte. Devyuvacha Yat pratyate tvaya bhupa tvaya chakulanandana Yat pratyate tvaya bhupa tvaya chakulanandana Mattastat prapyatam sarvam Paritushta dadami tat Mattastat prapyatam sarvam Paritushta dadami tat So there is like, very nice way. Markandeya also says, Suradassa Naradhipaha. He is mentioning Vaishya as Naradhipa. Suratha and Naradhipa. Here she is saying Bhupa and Kulanandana. They are like, the way they are, Bhupa is Raja. At the end of the day, you cannot take that character of Raja out of him. You can take the Raja out somewhere, but not his character. Like Raja is a Raja wherever he is, whether he is in the forest or whether he is ruling the country. Same Kula Nandana. So the entire Kulam gets one saint is born. So one sannyasi is born in a family. It's not that when they are born they are sannyasis, they become a sannyasi. Like Pithatipatis, we have seen Kanchi, Sringeri, all those things we have seen it. When a saint is born in a family, 50 generations before them and 50 generations after them get redeemed. Such is the power of saintlyhood. 50 generations before. The thought of doing tapas, that is why he is mentioned here as Kula Nandana. He is not a normal Vaishya. Normal Vaishya will think about earning money. But this Vaishya wants to do tapas. So he has come in that Vaishya Kulam. Kula Nandana. That is like, you are born in this thing, but he is an esteemed person. Though not a saint. Like normally they say 50 generations before and 50 generations after they get redeemed. Because one saint is born in that place. So she is telling, I am so pleased with this thing. Whatever you ask, I will give you. whatever the mattas tat prapyatam sarvam. Sarvam I will give you. Whatever I can give, sarvam I will give you. Yat prap, and we read both together? No. Yat pratyate tvaya bhupa tvaya chakulanandana mattastat prapyatam sarvam paritushta dadami tat.
Yat pratyate tvaya bhupa
Tvaya chakulanandana mattastat prapyatam sarvam paritushta dadami tat.
Yat pratyate tvaya bhupa tvaya chakulanandana mattastat prapyatam sarvam paritushta dadami tat.
Markandeya uvacha.
Markandeya uvacha.
Because now the rishi is gone. He took leave of these two and he went off to his tapas. So only Markandeya is narrating the rest of the story. We will be wondering why Rishi is not in this picture. For 3 years Rishi is not planning to sit here with him. So he went off. So Markandeya is now is the narrator now. Markandeya uvacha.
Markandeya uvacha.
Raja says now, I want my Rajyam back. Without any Shatrus, I want to rule the kingdom in a dharmic way. Okay? Tato vavre nrupo rajyam.
Tato vavre nrupo rajyam. Tato vavre nrupo rajyam.
Avibramsyanya janmani.
Avibramsyanya janmani. Avibramsyanya janmani.
Tato vavre nrupo rajyam avibrashyanya janmani.
Tato vavre nrupo rajyam avibramsyanya janmani. Tato vavre nrupo rajyam avibramsyanya janmani.
Atraiva cha nijam rajyam.
Atraiva cha nijam rajyam. Atraiva cha nijam rajyam.
Hata shatru bhalam balat.
Hata shatru balam balat. Hata shatru balam balat.
He is asking for his Rajyam, where he is got the strength better than his Shatrus. Okay?
So he wants the Shatrus.
Shatrus will be there, irrespective of whether you are a Raja or not.
He wants victory over.
He wants victory over them. Hata Shatrubal, to destroy them, to kill them. That kind of strength I want. The Rajyam should not come just like that. He is asking for only his Rajyam.
Yeah.
Devi is planning to make him a Manu. See what? No? Devi is planning to saying, not only this you will get. Now you will get this. But you will be the Manu in the 28th Ashtavimshati. That time you will be the Manu of that. Tato vavre nrupo rajyam avibramsyanya janmani atraiva janijam rajyam hata shatru balam balat.
Tato vavre nrupo rajyam avibramsyanya janmani atraiva janijam rajyam hata shatru balam balat. Tato vavre nrupo rajyam avibramsyanya janmani.
Avibramsyanya janmani.
Avibramsyanya janmani atraiva janijam rajyam hata shatru balam balat.
Sopi vaishyastato jnanam.
Sopi vaishyastato jnanam.
Sopi vaishyastato jnanam.
Sopi vaishyastato jnanam.
No problem.
Sopi Vaishyastato
Jnanam. Sopi vaishyastato jnanam.
Vavre nirvinnamanasaha.
Vavre nirvinnamanasaha. Vavre nirvinnamanasaha.
Sopi vaishyastato jnanam vavre nirvinnamanasaha.
Sopi vaishyastato jnanam. Vavre nirvinnamanasaha. Sopi vaishyastato jnanam. vavre nirvinna manasah.
So Vaishya got his jnanam. He is asking for jnanam. My mamatvam and my ahankaram should go. That is what mameti ahamiti. Aham and mamatvam. Both should go. My mind should be free of these two. Nirvinna manasah. Mametya hamiti. Okay. Mametya hamiti pranyas.
Mametyahamiti prajñas.
Sangha vichudigarakam. So I just don't want to be anywhere near these two. No relationship with mine and I and mine. So I just want to come out of that. So give me that jnanam to come out of it. He is asking for that. Mametyahamiti pranyas sangha vichudigarakam. Vichyutikarakam. Sangha vichyutikarakam. Mametyahamiti pranyas sangha vichyutikarakam. Sopi vaishyastato jnanam vavre nirvindamanasah. Mametyahamiti pranyas sangha vichyudikarakam.
Sopi vaishyastato jnanam vavre nirvindamanasah. Mametyahamiti pranyas sangha vichyudikarakam. Sopi vaishyastato jnanam vavre nirvindamanasah. Mametyahamiti pranyas sangha vichyudikarakam.
Devyuvacha Svalpairahobhirnrupate Swam rajyam prapsyate bhavan Svalpairahobhirnrupate Swam rajyam prapsyate bhavan. Hatva ripunaskalitam Tava tatra bhavishyati. Hatva ripunaskalitam tava tatra bhavishyati. In few days time you will get back your Rajyam where all your enemies will be killed and you can rule. Svalpairahobhirnrupate swam rajyam prapsyate bhavan. Hatva ripunaskalitam tava tatra bhavishyati.
Svalpairahobhirnrupate swam rajyam prapsyate bhavan. Hatva ripunaskalitam tava tatra bhavishyati. Svalpairahobhirnrupate swam rajyam prapsyate bhavan. Hatva ripunaskalitam tava tatra bhavishyati.
Mridascha bhuya samprapya Janma devat vivasvataha. Vaivasvata Manu Vaivasvatra Manvantara. That is the 28th cycle. Ashtavimshati. Actually now it is going on. But in the Kali Yugam. This is talking about the previous Yugam, that Dwapara Yugam. When you see it like, it is connected with Krishna and things like that. When we saw it, like she herself has told. In that account, if you see it, in the Dwapara Yugam, in the 28th cycle of the Dwapara Yugam, that is Vaivasvata Manvantara, then he will become the Manu of, because every 28th, every Yugam, this when the 28th Manvantara, that is Vaivasvata Manvantara, Savarni is the Manu. For every Manvantara, for every Yugam, 28th Manvantara, 28th cycle. There are 71 cycles in each Yugam. 71 cycles are there. So 28th cycle, that is 28th Manvantara, which is called Vaivasvata Manvantara. Savarni is the Manu for that. So
Every time it repeats?
it repeats, yes. Every Yugam it comes like that. He will be the Manu. Savarni is the Manu. Mrutascha bhuya samprapya janma devat vivasvatah.
मृतश्च भूय सम्प्राप्य जन्मदेवाद् विवस्वतः मृतश्च भूय सम्प्राप्य जन्मदेवाद् विवस्वतः
सावर्णिको नाम मनुर्
सावर्णिको नाम मनुर्
भवान् भुवि भविष्यति मृतश्च भूय सम्प्राप्य जन्मदेवाद् विवस्वतः सावर्णिको नाम मनुर् भवान् भुवि भविष्यति
मृतश्च भूय सम्प्राप्य जन्मदेवाद् विवस्वतः सावर्णिको नाम मनुर् भवान् भुवि भविष्यति मृतश्च भूय सम्प्राप्य जन्मदेवाद् विवस्वतः सावर्णिको नाम मनुर् भवान् भुवि भविष्यति.
We will say this page now. देव्योवाच यत्प्रार्थ्यते त्वया भूप त्वया च कुलनन्दन मत्तस्तत्प्राप्यतां सर्वं परितुष्टा ददामि तत्. मार्कण्डेय उवाच ततो वव्रे नृपो राज्यम् अभिभ्रंश्यन्यजन्मनि अत्रैव च निजं राज्यं हतशत्रुबलं बलात्. सोऽपि वैश्यस्ततो ज्ञानं वव्रे निर्विण्णमानसः ममेत्यहमिति प्राज्ञस् सङ्गविच्युतिकारकम्. देव्योवाच स्वल्पैरहोभिर्नृपते स्वं राज्यं प्राप्स्यते भवान् हत्वा रिपुणस्खलितं तव तत्र भविष्यति. मृतश्च भूय सम्प्राप्य जन्मदेवाद् विवस्वतः सावर्णिको नाम मनुर् भवान् भुवि भविष्यति. Vaishya asked only for moksham, no jnanam. Vaishyavaryatvayayascha varosmattobivanchitah Vaishyavaryatvayayascha varosmattobivanchitah tam prayachami samsiddhyai tava jnanam bhavishyati. Tam prayachami samsiddhyai tava jnanam bhavishyati. Vaishyavaryatvayayascha varosmattobivanchitah tam prayachami samsiddhyai tava jnanam bhavishyati.
वैश्यवर्यत्वया यश्च
वरोस्मत्तोऽभिवाञ्छितः तं प्रयच्छामि संसिद्ध्यै तव ज्ञानं भविष्यति वैश्यवर्यत्वया यश्च वरोस्मत्तोऽभिवाञ्छितः तं प्रयच्छामि संसिद्ध्यै तव ज्ञानं भविष्यति। मार्कण्डेय उवाच इति दत्त्वा तयोर्देवी यथाभिलषितं वरम् इति दत्त्वा तयोर्देवी यथाभिलषितं वरम्
इति दत्त्वा तयोर्देवी यथाभिलषितं वरम्
बभूवान्तर्हिता सद्यो भक्त्या ताभ्यामभिष्टुता बभूवान्तर्हिता सद्यो भक्त्या ताभ्यामभिष्टुता भक्त्या ताभ्याम अभिष्टुता, whatever you wish, if, whatever abhishtuta, abhishta, bhaktya thabhyam abhishta, whatever the devotee wants, she gives. Babhuvantarhita sadhyo bhaktya thabhyam abhishtuta.
भक्त्या ताभ्याम अभिष्टुता बभूवान्तर्हिता सद्यो भक्त्या ताभ्याम अभिष्टुता.
Last, this 4 lines, actually the 2 lines are repeated again. This line, whatever we read now, tayo dattva tayo devi, all these things are repeated twice. Because for us, when you are chanting, you have to repeat it twice. The next 2 lines, they have repeated it themselves. This line also, you have to repeat it. Okay?
27th and the next.
That is like, yeah, 27th and 28th. Both are like, that is 29. That same thing is repeated. So that is the reason 27th and 28th repeat it twice. Okay? Iti dattva tayordevi yata vilashitam varam babhuvantarhita sadhyo bhaktya thabhyam abhishtuta. Iti tadva
tayordevi yatha vilashitam varam बभूवान्तर्हिता सद्यो भक्त्या ताभ्याम अभिष्टुता.
एवं देव्या वरं लब्ध्वा सुरतः क्षत्रियः शबः एवं देव्या वरं लब्ध्वा सुरतः क्षत्रियः शबः सूर्या जन्म समासाध्य सावर्णिर्भविता मनुः सूर्या जन्म समासाध्य सावर्णिर्भविता मनुः सावर्णिर्भविता मनुः एवं देव्या वरं लब्ध्वा सुरतः क्षत्रियः शबः सूर्या जन्म समासाध्य सावर्णिर्भविता मनुः एवं देव्या वरं लब्ध्वा सुरदक्षत्रियर्षभः सूर्या जन्म समासाद्य सावर्णर्भविता मनुः क्लीं ॐ इति श्रीमार्कण्डेय पुराणे सावर्णिके मन्वन्तरे देवी महात्म्ये सुरतवैश्ययोर्वरप्रदानं नाम त्रयोदशोऽध्यायः. You will repeat this one time, 13th chapter, so you get perfect at least to some extent. Okay. त्रयोदशोऽध्यायः ध्यानम्. ॐ बालार्कमण्डलाभासां चतुर्बाहुं त्रिलोचनां पाशाङ्कुशभराभीतिर्धारयन्तीं शिवां भजे. ॐ ऋषिरुवाच एतत्ते कथितं भूप देवी माहात्म्यमुत्तमम्. एवं प्रभावा सा देवी ययेदं धार्यते जगत्. विद्या तथैव क्रियते भगवद्विष्णुमायया. तया त्वमेष वैश्यश्च तथैवान्ये विवेकिनः. मोह्यन्ते मोहिताश्चैव मोहमेष्यन्ति चापरे. तामुपैहि महाराज शरणं परमेश्वरीम्. आराधिता सैव नृणां भोगस्वर्गापवर्गता. मार्कण्डेयोवाच इति तस्य वचः श्रुत्वा सुरदः स नराधिपः प्रणिपत्य महाभागं तं ऋषिं संस्थितव्रतम्. विनिर्विण्णोति ममत्वेन राज्यापहरणेन च. जगामसद्यस्तपसे स च वैश्यो महामुने. सन्दर्शनार्थमम्बाय नदीपुलिनसंस्थितः स च वैश्यस्तपस्तेपे देवी सूक्तं परं जपन्. तौ तस्मिन् पुलिने देव्याः कृत्वा मूर्तिं महीमयीम्. अर्घणां चक्रतुस्तस्याः पुष्पधूपाग्नितर्पणैः. निराहारौ यथाहारौ तन्मनस्कौ समाहितौ. ददतुस्तौ बलिं चैव निजगात्राश्रुकुक्षितम्. एवं समाराधयतोस्त्रिभिर्वर्षैर्यतात्मनोः. परितुष्टा जगद्धात्री प्रत्यक्षं प्राह चण्डिका. देव्योवाच यत्प्रार्थ्यते त्वया भूप त्वया च कुलनन्दन. मत्तस्तत्प्राप्यतां सर्वं परितुष्टा ददामि तत्. मार्कण्डेयोवाच ततो वव्रे नृपो राज्यम् अभिभ्रंश्यन्यजन्मनि. अत्रैव च निजं राज्यम् हतशत्रुबलं बलात्. सोऽपि वैश्यस्ततो ज्ञानं वव्रे निर्विण्णमानसः. ममेत्यहमिति प्राज्ञः सङ्गविच्युतिकारकम्. देव्योवाच स्वल्पैरहोभिर्नृपते स्वं राज्यं प्राप्स्यते भवान्. हत्वा रिपुणस्खलितं तव तत्र भविष्यति. मृतश्च भूय सम्प्राप्य जन्मदेवाद्विवस्वतः. सावर्णिको नाम मनुर्भवान् भुवि भविष्यति. वैश्यवर्यत्वया यश्च वरोऽस्मत्तोऽभिवाञ्छितः. तं प्रयच्छामि संसिद्ध्यै तव ज्ञानं भविष्यति. मार्कण्डेयोवाच इति दत्त्वा तयोर्देवी यथाभिलषितं वरं. बभूवान्तर्हिता सद्यो भक्त्या ताभ्यामभिष्टुता. इति तत्त्वा तयो देवी यदा विलसितं वरं बभूवान्तर्हिता सद्यो भक्त्या ताभ्यामभिष्टुता एवं देव्या वरं लब्ध्वा सुरदक्षत्रियर्षभः सूर्याजन्म समासाद्य सावर्णर्भविता मनुः एवं देव्या वरं लब्ध्वा सुरदक्षत्रियर्षभः सूर्याजन्म समासाद्य सावर्णर्भविता मनुः क्लीं ॐ इति श्रीमार्कण्डेयपुराणे सावर्णिके मन्वन्तरे देवी माहात्म्ये सुरदवैश्ययोर्वरप्रदानं नाम 13 अध्यायः।